How to fix an extra security step is required Instagram issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Instagram's extra security step required problem. So let's get started. So whenever you try to open up your Instagram and whenever you try to log in or do stuff like that, it asks you to just, do an extra security step. If that's the case, the reason might be because you do not have your security set up completely. So for that, you can head over to the bottom right corner and head over to settings and activity. After you're on your settings and activity, you should see an option where you can change your security settings. If you don't find it here, you can head over to your account center, and after you're on your account center, you should see password and security. After you're on your password and security, you can change your password and make sure that you've used a really strong password and even turn on two-factor authentication. You can just choose the account for your two-factor authentication, and you can use a third-party app such as Microsoft Authenticator to just use as a two-factor authentication. After doing that, you will have added an extra layer of security to your Instagram and you should be good to go. Now, the other reason why you are being asked to add another security step might be because you have not added in an email address for recovery or a phone number for recovery. So you can just add that. You can head over to your personal details and add your contact info. After you add in your contact info, your problem should get fixed. And yeah, that's basically it. That is how you fix Instagram's extra security step required issue. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.